Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cupcakes at home without an oven. We'll explore a fantastic method using just your stovetop, transforming a large pot into a makeshift oven. This approach is perfect for anyone without traditional baking equipment, ensuring you can still enjoy warm, homemade cupcakes. It's surprisingly simple and yields wonderfully soft, fluffy results every single time. First, let's gather our essentials. You'll need 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. For the wet ingredients, have ready 1/2 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. Don't forget your large pot, a stand, and cupcake liners. Now for the mixing. In one bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients. In another, combine all the wet ingredients. Gently pour the wet mixture into the dry, folding until just combined. Avoid overmixing. Fill your lined cupcake molds about 2/3 full. Next, place a metal stand inside your large pot, cover it, and preheat on medium heat for 10 minutes. This creates a warm baking environment. It's baking time. Carefully arrange your filled cupcake molds onto the stand inside the preheated pot. Secure the lid tightly to trap the heat. Allow them to bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into a cupcake. It should come out clean. Once baked, let them cool completely before adding your favorite frosting and enjoying your delicious, oven-free cupcakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.